Nothing will ever be the same in the pickup truck industry again. The all-new Toyota Tacoma Electric has just been introduced to the public, and it's set to be completely transforming the market. The crowd gasps in awe as the covers are removed from this breathtaking new creation, revealing its sophisticated design and cutting-edge amenities. The Tacoma Electric is unlike anything else on the market because it combines the ruggedness and efficiency of a conventional pickup truck with the environmentally friendly technology of an electric car. You're watching Tech Addicts. Continue watching to know why the brand new Toyota Tacoma Electric is the best pickup vehicle you can buy right now. Pickup vehicles manufactured by Toyota are known for their dependability as well as their performance. Since the first time the company's pickup trucks set foot on North American soil, they have gradually but unmistakably established themselves as reliable automobiles that consumers can rely on. It doesn't matter if you're talking about the tiny Toyota trucks of the 1980s or the Toyota Tundra that's on the market right now. Either of these dependable workhorses is a great choice. Now that the age of electric vehicles has arrived, Toyota plans to usher in a new era with the introduction of the Tacoma EV in 2024. This pickup should deliver the normal advantages of an electric vehicle, such as zero emissions, cheap maintenance, and quick torque, despite the fact that details remain limited. Images of the electric Tacoma pickup reveal an updated sheet metal design that is more streamlined and contemporary than the pickup's previous design. Fans of Toyota's pickup trucks may be certain that the vehicles will maintain the rugged performance that has become synonymous with the brand. According to the results of a survey that was carried out by AutoList not so long ago, millennials all around the country are really excited for Toyota to launch their electric pickup truck, the Tacoma EV. The baffling thing is that Toyota has not disclosed any information on the truck's specifications, and they have not even said whether or not they intend to sell one to the general public within the next few years. The Toyota Tacoma is, without a shadow of a doubt, the best mid-size pickup truck that can be purchased in North America. As this has been the case for some time now, it's a safe bet to assume that Toyota will introduce a Tacoma electric vehicle in the near future in order to compete with other manufacturers in the trucking market. But given that the firm has not yet taken the first step towards entering the market for electric pickup trucks, it is possible that it will be a few years before a Toyota electric vehicle is available for purchase. Expect a high-tech electric powertrain from Toyota that has lots of horsepower and torque, given the company's experience in the engineering field. At this time, there is no data available. Nevertheless, it seems likely that the specifications will either match or exceed those of the gas-powered Tacoma. Even though the executives of Toyota have been resistant to changing a truck that has been setting record sales amounts for them, it is more than just a possibility that the world will be introduced to the new electric Tacoma soon. If the rumors that are flying around turn out to be accurate, it is more than a possibility that the world will be introduced to the new electric Tacoma soon. But the times, they are a-changin', and if the corporation wants to stay in the game, it will have to shift gears and build a truck that corresponds with the needs of millennial consumers. These are some of the reasons why a Toyota electric vehicle truck would be so popular, as well as some of the things that it might bring to the table in the battle between electric trucks. The electric Toyota Tacoma is not even close to becoming a reality. Although Toyota has not provided an official launch date for an EV, there is speculation that a Toyota electric truck may follow the introduction of the Toyota Tacoma in 2024. This despite the fact that Toyota has not yet provided an official launch date for an electric vehicle for Tacoma. To clarify, this does not rule out the possibility that Toyota would launch it to the public at an earlier date, but according to all accounts, it will not be accessible until the model year 2024. The fact that there is a Tacoma fan community in Brazil that can be traced back to being one of the primary inspirations for this idea. They were able to find a design patent that Toyota had applied for, but the corporation decided not to disclose the name of the truck that will serve as the foundational model. This particular piece of information is being withheld from the public by the company until a later date. However, given that this data has been confirmed by Fox News, it can be assumed that there will be at least one model of Toyota electric vehicle made available for purchase in certain regions of the world. Many are under the impression that the new electric truck will be a Tacoma since the new 2024 Toyota Tacoma has been spotted driving about town while engineers put it through a series of testing. These tests have led some to believe that the new electric truck will be a Tacoma. it is a relatively safe assumption that the electric truck will be available for purchase by the end of the year as part of the 2024 model lineup, and this is based on the original designs that were filed with the patent request, as well as the similarities between the new Tacoma and those plans. So, will there be an electric version of the next new Toyota Tacoma? It's difficult to shift the design of a car from a model that uses an internal combustion engine directly to an electric version of the vehicle without running into some kind of significant problems. Because of this, many companies have found that it is a better idea to go to a hybrid model first. The hybrid model is a version of both, and it will provide the company with a stepping stone to transition from the traditional power plant to the new electrically charged motors that are taking over the automobile and truck industries. The hybrid model is a version of both. In order to comprehend the rationale for the consideration of this idea, it will be necessary to review the 2024 test models once more. Upon reviewing the new pickup truck from the front, it is clear that the grille has been constructed to accommodate the cooling of an engine housed underneath the hood. This leads one to believe that the truck will continue to use an internal combustion engine. For all intents and purposes, therefore, the next Toyota Tacoma will be more of a hybrid than an all-out electric truck, at least for time being. If the 2024 Toyota Tacoma does come off the production lines in the style and design of the new patent, this is the case if the new patent is implemented. So what is the price tag of the electric Toyota Tacoma? A Tacoma with a sage green color from the year 2023 is parked in front of some mountains. It is difficult to speculate how much the firm will charge for its electric truck, given that the only information provided by Toyota representatives is that they have plans to produce an electric Toyota truck in the near future. The corporation has not even let any of its plans for the next model slip out, so finding out how much a 2024 Tacoma will cost is another challenge brought on by the discovery of the price of the vehicle. Using the pricing listed on the window stickers for the model year 2023 is the safest approach. But you should be aware that the price will most likely go up for the year after that. Yet we can at least get a rough estimate of the price of an electric Toyota Tacoma from these statistics. This year, the buyer can anticipate paying close to $28,000 for the base model. However, there are upgrades that can be picked that will lead to an increase in the final cost. The base price of the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro is slightly over $47,000, and it may be equipped with a variety of available options. There are additional trim levels that can be selected for the 23 model year, but there is no way to truly know if the same ones will be provided for the 24 model year, or if there may even be more added to the mix. These additional trim levels can be chosen for the 2023 model year. One thing is certain, and that is that every single truck that is going to be sold will come with a selection of different engine capacities. And it is also anticipated that there will be a hybrid version of Tacoma. These numbers are only an educated assumption up to the moment that the full picture is revealed. This electric pickup, like any other model that is eagerly anticipated, could be in short supply or even be subject to markups depending on the demand. Those who are dead set on putting one in their garage should stay abreast of the most recent news and consider making an early deposit to increase their chances of securing a place in line. But it looks like all that hard work will pay off, as the Tacoma EV is going to be an interesting addition to the limited crop of electric pickups now on the market. You get the renowned dependability that Toyota is known for, along with the perks of driving an electric vehicle. Well, it's today, tomorrow, Toyota. Moving forward, that's all for today. Hey, we'll be right back with more soon. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.